Video, I'll be reviewing our client card. So to navigate to your client card, you can go to Clients and type in a name and then select that name. In addition to that, from the appointment book, you can actually click on the appointment and click on the client's name, and that will take you there as well. There's probably a few other ways that you can get to a client card too, but this is the primary way. All right, so up here at the top, we have some basic information about Abigail. And then down below, we've got her client card. I can see her info, her contact information, her email, any notes about Abigail. Maybe she likes dogs and coffee. I can input her emergency contact info here. And if Abigail is maybe somebody's daughter, I can put a responsible party. Maybe her mom books her appointments or needs her notifications. I can put that information in here under responsible party. The next tab is the client profile. So here's another place where I'm going to keep some basic information. Gender, client flags are great for flagging if she's VIP or family, her birth date, her occupation, maybe she's a nurse. And this is where you can deactivate the clients. We hit it in here. Referred by, if she was referred by somebody else, you simply just click search. And maybe Sasha referred her, you select that Sasha referred her. And then if she referred anybody else, they'd be listed here. Down below, you have her preferences for being contacted. She chooses not to receive notifications, and she likes her emails to be her reminders, and her marketings to be emails as well. So you can control that here. She can also control this through the online booking portal. If she is friends and family, let's say she receives a discount on services automatically, you can apply those automatic promotions right here. So all of your promotions will pop up. And then anytime she comes in, she'll automatically receive those promotions. Down here are our appointments. So if I want to set booking restrictions, like maybe I need to set an alert that she's a persistent no-show and we need a deposit or do not book, you can do that here. If you do select do not book, it will not let any worker, even the owner, book the appointment. So just be aware of that. You can also put custom notes, like maybe you just want to let her alert that she left her scarf here. You can just plug that right in and then she'd be alerted the next time. Down here, you can choose if she's allowed to use your online booking. By default, everyone's allowed to use online booking, so you can take this privilege away as needed. If she has a standing appointment on the books, this is just a flag to let you know. She would show up in those appointment reports on standing appointments. And then this also tells you when the last standing appointment she has is. The online booking password is here. If for some reason she can't get logged in and you need to change this, you can go in and manually change that for her, but it will be hidden to the public eye. And down here is a list of her appointments. I can sort my appointments newest to oldest, or I can also filter something out. Like if she says, oh, did I cancel that appointment? You can see all the appointments that she has canceled. Or if you only want to see booked appointments, you can see her booked appointments. You can email a list of future appointments, or you can also print out that same list. Okay, up to the communication. These are all the reminders and notification emails that she might have been sent, or text messages. That's where those will be listed here. Her products will be listed here, any products she's purchased and any promotions that have been applied. You can click on these hyperlinked tickets and that will take you there. And it will show you a grand total of how much she has spent on product since she became a customer. The services are listed here. These are all the services she's had done, any promotions applied, and how much she paid for that service. In the upper right here, you'll notice that this note field is lit up a little differently than the other note icons. If you hover over it, it's going to show you what that note is, or you can click on it to edit it and read it, and it'll be right there. Since this can get a pretty lengthy list, you can go ahead and click load more, and you can keep seeing every 10 services that she had in the past. And then of course, just like the product screen, it's going to show me that total amount down here. I can also see any classes she's attended and how much she's spent on classes over time. In her accounts tab, I can see that she's an active rewards member, what her current points balance is. I can add points to that balance and make a description about it. I also have her member ID. If she has a membership and she's auto billed, those will display down here. Any packages that she's purchased and how many she has remaining, what the unused value is, will appear here. Then the account balance will be shown here. If she had an account balance, an outstanding balance with us, that would appear here. And then down here is where I can create that token so that I can store credit card information. You do need to have integrated credit card processing for this feature to work, but we could store a credit card on file, and then when she comes in, we can use that card. Last but not least, the consultation tab. So if you use the consultation form, which you can navigate to up here in the upper right, if you go to that client form, you can hand over a tablet to Abigail and have her update her contact information from a tablet or a computer. It's just a really nice electronic way to do that and save paper. And then you'll be able to see her responses here to what her consultation questions were. Alrighty, and then of course don't forget to save, or you can also save and book. And then last but not least, if you need to merge her with another client card, maybe you have duplicates, you simply click Merge Client, you type in the client name, you select that client, and then it would allow you to merge them after you save your information. Thank you for watching and have a great day.